Hi, this is Deidre Hawthorne, and we're going to do the secret method of Tesla's 369 code. Okay, it's Deidre Hawthorne here, and I want you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel or my TikTok channel or followed me on Instagram. So you're like wasting your time if you haven't done that because you're just like trying to find me out here on space. But I got a good idea for you guys. I'm going to teach you the quick manifestation method of Tesla. So Nikola Tesla, you guys, you know all about it. You're trying to get that car. You can use his method 369 for manifestation. So stay tuned. You're listening to the Deidre Hawthorne Show. And I'm Deidre Hawthorne. And there are no coincidences. The word coincidence has the word coincide. And we are coinciding. Stick around. There's a reason that you're here. Nothing happens by chance. Sacred geometry. This show is highly vibrational. It's about ascension, spirit guides, esoterical, sacred knowledge. You asked the question. I'm going to do this longer on YouTube, but it's Tesla's 369 method for manifestation. 3 things to manifest, like a car, a house, a job. Think about it for 6 times a day for 9 seconds each. Yeah, I'm showing you these numbers because you're going to need them in the future when I'm teaching you in this next session that I told you about the YouTube thing. And this is so you can create the life you deserve. So here I'm back. I'm Deidre Hawthorne for those who don't know me, because I know that this video is going to go viral, so I just had to say my name. Say my name, say my name. So you guys, this is a video about the manifestation or the frequency of 369, or how powerful the number 369 is. So I'm going to talk about Nikola Tesla. Well, really not about him, but more about the numbers. You guys know me, you know that I am the intuitive life coach, Deidre Hawthorne, / talk show host, author, an artist. But today we're going to zero in and focus in on 369 because it's really, really important. You can manifest a lot of ways. People like to use the law of attraction, focus, intent. You can manifest through water. You can even manifest through, this is for adults, through sexual energy, because it's the only energy that can really increase itself. You got a 60 watt, 100 watt light bulb. That's all the energy you're going to get. But you can increase your energy as a person. But through numbers, you know, numbers are powerful as far as sacred geometry. That's why you have the Masons. You have all fractal geometry. You have all kind of numbers, master numbers, 333. You have 1111. You have prime numbers. But Tesla, he said exactly that 369 is a divine number, that everything in the universe is made up of a divine frequency number. So if you don't know who Tesla is, he basically isn't a major game player when it comes to inventions. I mean, more than Edison or Einstein. They even said to Einstein, how's it feel to be the smartest man in the world? And Einstein said, I don't know. You need to go ask Tesla. So Tesla, he invented the remote control anything. And if you're looking at your cell phone and like the dolphin sounds, you go get your ultrasound, that's Tesla. He did the alternative currents and all that kind of stuff. He said the key to the universe is numbers. And it's all about vortex math. And if you want to speed up your manifestation, then you should use 369. And some people use scripting to manifest with 369, but it's very, 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 very simple. I'm going to show you some big techniques. The reason why I'm talking fast is because if you know me, I talk fast. Deidre Hawthorne talks fast. But I'm just going to give a shout out to Clark Keegley. It's CLARK, KEGLEY, because I like to give credit where credit is due. I study Tesla. I have been studying him for years. If anybody knows me, they'll tell you I've always studied Tesla. I had passwords with Tesla. I'm a Tesla addict. I went down to Venice Beach and saw the mural with Tesla and all those master thinkers and teachers. So I'm not like snatching anybody's stuff, but I do like the way that Clark Keekley taught about the 369 method. There are methods. I'm going to get straight to it in a few seconds, but the way that he taught it was plain and straight to the point, and I'm going to get you straight to it too. But Tesla said that his brain is a receiver for the universe, for information. We all are energy. You can't even lie about that. This paper is energy. This pen is energy. A rock, if you take a magnifying glass that's powerful enough, you'll see that it has energy. Atoms all have energy. And so we're going to get to the 369 manifestation and show you how to do it. And then if you guys want to listen on, then I'll explain why 369 is so pivotal and why those numbers are more important. Because everything is important. The thumb, the finger, the heart, the spleen, all of this part of the body, all of this is important. The whole universe is important. Like the street lights behind me. Okay, but they say in 369, this is what Tesla said you should do, is get 3 affirmations. So here's a blank sheet of paper. So if you want to do an affirmation, let's just say, people like this a lot. You want to affirm, you want a relationship. Okay, so you get 3 affirmations. 3 affirm 3 things. Let's just say you want a relationship. That's 1. You want a relationship. Say the second thing is you want a job. A better job. Hopefully by the time you guys get to me, you've already attracted a job, a flow, currency for the income. Because you know money is a currency. You got to have something to flow to you. So if you should be trying to attract right now residual income and passive income. You know, if you want money to come to you, you got to have some kind of way for it to get to you. Even if you're a babysitter or a newspaper thrower, or I don't care, maybe you are an artist and you can draw pictures, do something, sing a song on the street. There has to be some kind of flow for the currency to get to you. So you want a better job, you want a relationship, and you want health. Say something is going on with your body and you need better health, and doctors, whatever. So you need a breakthrough. Let's just say these 3 things are breakthroughs, because you know on your own stuff is raggedy, right? So this is proven that this method of law of attraction, or give and take, if you go into the Bible, so a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. You have not because you ask not. So you're putting this out there, as on earth as it is in heaven. Whatever you want to say, let's give those words to you in your own language. You make it go for you, okay? So we're going to do numbers, Tesla's way, 369 frequency. 3. This is your 3. Your 3 is your 3 affirmations. You're affirming these 3. The 6th thing is review this 6 times a day. I'm giving you your 6 times a day. So 369. You affirm 3 things 6 times a day. I don't care when you do it. Some people say you do it morning, noon, and night. Deidre Hawthorne is telling you, as a life coach, intuitive life coach, helping you to get your intents to manifest. These are the 3 things you said. You could have a car, you could be singing career, you could be a dancer, you could be a track star, You can get somebody to turn their head towards you. Whatever it is, building a ship, whatever it is, your 3 things. Get it? That's 3. Look at it 6 times a day. Get it in 6 times a day. The last thing is, look at it, meditate on it, visualize it for 9 seconds. 3, 6, 9. So, get your book, put your affirmations down. I want a wonderful, fantastic relationship that's for my highest good. I'm grateful that I'm in a really strong, powerful relationship where we are a powerful power couple, where this guy or this woman is for my highest good. They love me the way I want to be loved, not the way they want to love me. They're very affectionate because I'm an affectionate person. They love to laugh. They love to travel. They have all their finances in order. They want kids, or they don't want kids, or they love my family and my friends. They're very active. Whatever it is, be very specific, because you get what you ask for. They're ready for commitment. Whatever it is that you want, your ism. Start to script your life. Learn to ask what you want for, because you get what you ask for. So script. That's your relationship. 9 seconds at least. They say Abraham Hicks, Esther Hicks said that for 17 seconds, you think about anything for 17 seconds, it starts to manifest. The ball starts rolling. So don't think about anything that you don't want to manifest for more than 17 seconds, because the universe starts to bring it to you. The angels start to bring it to you. The Bible says the angels are camped around you, helping you get what you need to get. That's why you think that there's angels with names on it. Archangel Michael, Uriel, Raphael. If there's not angels in existence, there wouldn't be Bibles with words with angels in it. And there wouldn't be other history books and books in Babylon and everywhere else with angels' names in it. And there would be all these religions across the world with angels' names in it. Those would be drawing angels out their brain before we even lived, and with angels didn't exist. Okay? So even if you don't believe in angels, saints, gods, ancestors, they're all surrounding to help us. Okay? 3, 6, 9. The 6th thing is 6 times a day. If you can't give your life 6 times a day for 9 seconds, what's wrong with you? You can invest in a TV and pay money to watch a TV for hours, but you can't stop for your own self to give you what you want 6 times a day. How much do you love you? Okay, this is the Tesla method, and I gave it to you. If you want to stop, you can stop right here. But why is 3, 6, 9? A circle has 360 degrees. Okay. And then there's 24 hours in a day. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then 3 plus 6 is 9. 3, 6, 9. And then an atom has 3 particles. Then if you're talking spiritually, you have the Holy Trinity, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. That's 3. And then time, past, present, and future. That's 3. And then the birth cycle is you're born, you live, and you die. That's 3. There's 60 minutes, an hour. Man, I could really go on. They got this thing about time. I put it in my phone about how all the numbers add up to 9, and you could really research the Tesla and the principles about 9 and the principles about 6 and about 3, and how when you count all the numbers 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, but they leave 3, 6, 9 out. And the elements of 3, 6, 9 is very, very powerful, that frequency. And next we're going to talk about 432 hertz. and how that frequency is the vibration of the universe and frequency of love. So remember I was talking about how all the numbers add up to 9? And, everything adds up to 9. Wow, isn't that deep? My channel, because I love you. Bye. And even when it adds up to 36, adds up to 9. So Tesla, there you go. Thank you. And also thank you guys for listening in. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you chose to be here with me. And please subscribe to my channel. And if you're on TikTok, follow me. And if you're on Instagram, follow. Love you. Bye.